Let's go to question 3. Point PA1 where A is positive. Lines on the curve y equals x squared minus 4x minus 4. Find the value of A. Since the coordinates of P is A1, we will label x, y, which means x equals A and y equals 1. Let's do the substitution to this curve. We will get 1 equals A squared minus 4A minus 4. We will use GDC to figure out the value of A. We will change it into equal to 0 form first. 0 equals A squared minus 4A minus 4 minus 1. Simplify. A squared minus 4A minus 5. Then we go to calculator. Go to y equals x squared minus 4x minus 5. Go to graph. Since A is positive, let's use the second trace to calculate the 0. 2. A is a positive. Left bound, let's do 0. Right bound, let's do 9. Enter. Enter. A equals 5. By graphing, A equals 5. For B, find the gradient function of the curve. Y prime equals x squared minus 4x minus 4 prime. Remember, x to the nth power prime equals n times x to the n minus 1th power. Mx prime equals m. C prime equals 0. So we get 2x minus 4. Let's go to C. Show that at P, the gradient of the curve is equal to 6. Gradient of the curve means f prime of x. The gradient of the curve means derivative. At P, we know A equals 5. Therefore, f prime of 5 equals 2 times 5 minus 4 equals 10 minus 4 equals 6. Let's go to D. Point Q, CD is also on the curve at which the gradient of the curve is equal to 8. Show that D equals 8 too. The gradient of curve means f prime of C equals 8, which means 2 times C minus 4 equals 8. 2C minus 4 equals 8. Add 4 both sides. 2C equals 12. Divided by 2 both sides. C equals 6. Then D equals f of 6. That equals 6 squared minus 4 times 6 minus 4 equals 8. So we finish this proving. Let's go to question 4. Consider the function f of x equals 5x squared minus x plus 5. A. Write down the f prime of x. f prime of x equals 5x squared minus x plus 5 prime. We will use the power rule of derivative. X to the nth power prime equals n times x to the n minus 1th power. Mx prime equals m. C prime equals 0. So we have 10x minus 1. B. Show that at x equals 1, f of x equals f prime of x. F of 1 equals 5 times 1 squared minus 1 plus 5 equals 5 minus 1 plus 5 equals 9. F prime of 1 equals 10 times 1 minus 1 equals 9. So f of 1 equals f prime of 1. Find the coordinate of a second point on the curve for fx equals f prime of x. F of x equals f prime of x, which means 5x squared minus x plus 5 equals 10x minus 1. Change this equation into equal to 0 form. 5x squared minus x plus 5. Remember, change the sign. Plus 1 equals 0. Combine like terms. 5x squared minus 11x plus 6 equals 0. Then go to graphing calculator. Go to y equals 5x squared minus 11x plus 6. Go to graph. You have to change this window so that we can clearly see the zeros. Go to window. For x minimum, we will change from 0 to 5. Scale is 1. Normally, for y minimum, we will change into negative 0.5. Y maximum change into 0.5. Scale, let's change into 0.5. Graph. If you want to make it more clear, we can change this x. X minimum is 0. X maximum, let's change into 3. We already know this is a 1, so we need to figure out this point. Second trace. Go to 2. Left bound. Let's do 1.1. Enter. Then move arrow to the right. Enter. Enter. You get x equals 1.2. So x1 equals 1, x2 equals 1.2. Since we are looking for the coordinates, don't forget to work out the y coordinate. F of 1.2 equals 5 times 1.2 squared minus 1.2 plus 5 equals 5 times 1.2 squared minus 1.2 plus 5. Enter. Y coordinate is 11. So the coordinates of a second point will be 1.211.